A good rule of thumb when trying to solve a literal equation is to use the order of operations in reverse. That strategy is especially effective on the occasions where there is only one instance of the variable in the equation that you're trying to solve. An example of that is this equation here. We are trying to solve for a, and this is the only a that appears in the equation. Now, when we say the order of operations in reverse, we mean reversing and inverting all of the steps. In a hypothetical scenario, if I knew what a was, the first thing I would do to a is multiply it by 10 and c, as they are multiplied directly next to the a. Then I would subtract the x, then I would divide by 11. When we solve a literal equation, we simply reverse all of those steps and invert them. So what was last becomes first, and what was first becomes last, and we undo those steps in the opposite order. That being said, our opposite order for this question is going to be handling the 11 first. We're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 11. That's going to clear out the fraction on the left. You also could think about it as cross multiplication if you wanted to think about there being a 1 underneath that -3, but we'll just use the 11, multiply both sides by 11. That clears out this fraction, leaves us with 10ac minus x is equal to -33. Again, our target is a, and our next term to get rid of would be the x. So we're going to add x to both sides. And on the right, we have -33 plus x. And we finish by dividing away the two terms, or excuse me, the two factors being multiplied by the a, the 10 and the c, and we get a final result of a equals -33 plus x over 10c. We achieved this goal simply by reversing and inverting all of the steps.